major development in the technology and fintech sectors, Meta has announced an investment of 8,550 crore rupees in Bengaluru-based fintech platform CRED as part of its Series H funding round, valuing the company at 43,239 crore rupees, approximately $4.5 billion on a post-money basis. As part of the development, CRED founder Kunal Shah will step down as Chief Executive Officer and take over as the global head of WhatsApp, succeeding Will Cathcart, who has led the platform for 7 years. Cathcart will remain with Meta and move into a new role within the company. Meta will join CRED as a minority investor and will not have access to customer data. The funding round involves a mix of primary and secondary share purchases and is aimed at supporting CRED's future growth and expansion. CRED was founded in the year 2018 and has grown into a leading Indian fintech platform offering services in payments, lending, insurance, wealth management, and lifestyle products. It currently has around 17 million monthly users and processes over 40% of India's credit card bill payments. Kunal Shah said WhatsApp still has significant untapped potential despite its global reach, while Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg praised his entrepreneurial mindset and global outlook. Following Shah's exit, Miten Sampath, who has led strategy and finance at CRED since 2020, has been appointed as interim CEO with immediate effect. The announcement marks one of the Meta's largest investments in India's fintech sectors and a major leadership transition for both CRED and WhatsApp. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.